Hello, Susie can say hello, Susie Grins. This is your WWE YouTube World Susie Heavyweight Champion of the world. And you can acknowledge me and say, hey, I'm the Susie Buffet. And I am your Trouble Susie. Alright guys, welcome back to another food review today. Guys, thank you for giving me really hot subscribers and food on this channel here and my other channel, because you guys are keep it going, because you make me famous and I love it, guys. Guys, we leave like a question and give me on TV, please. Give me million, billion, trillion. Guys, we need that. Come on. We need your support. Come on. But afterwards, my dad actually made this channel. Thank you for him, by the way. I can use visuals on my phone because I can update it on my phone and I like it because it's different. So I like it. So yeah, so what's going on today? We're having shrimp scampi. I love this because I love noodles, I love seafood, I love anything. Guys, never say in the comments below. So this is the food I'm eating today. Oh yeah, we're gonna do bread, bread, some shrimp, garlic, you name it. Oh yeah. I will eat this. I don't know if it's good or not. And so let's go dive right into this today. Alrighty. Let's go dive into this. Alright, so first we got some BREAD. Bread. I love it in the middle because I love the softness. I love to go in here. But I eat this first and then the outer area first, second. And I love it. Come on, so see if it's this. So good. Now, here we go. Shrimp scampi. I'll get like this. This is sushi. Yes, this is this. So delicious. But afterwards, that is everything, because of you giving this potato and other potato really high. But afterwards, that is everything. So what's going on today? I'm eating this while I'm watching Sunny with the Suns and also Dancing with the Stars. I want to be on there. So please. But afterwards, what's a very TV show or movie, please comment below. But afterwards, guys, I'm signing off. And see you guys later. And I'll do more videos and more episodes from WWE. So tonight is Raw in 3 hours. So I'll see you guys there.